Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, counting cards. In the casino game Blackjack, a player can gain an advantage over the house by keeping track of relative number of high and low cards remaining in the deck. This is called card counting. Having more high cards remaining in the deck favors the player. Each card is assigned a value according to the table below. When the count is positive, the player should bet high. When the count is 0 or negative, the player should bet low. So, in this count plus 1 if the cards are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 if these are 7, 8, 9, and count minus 1 if the cards are 10, J, Q, K, A. You will write a card counting function. It will receive a card parameter, which can be a number or a string, and increment or decrement the global count variable according to the card's value. The function will then return a string with the current count and the string bet if the count is positive or hold if the count is 0 or negative. The current count and the player's decision, bet or hold, should be separated by a single space. Example -3 hold, 5 bet. So let's check for count change. So we can use switch here and pass card in case of 2 2 3 4 5 6 we have count plus plus, and in case of 7 8 and 9, just simply break and break. In case we can actually remove this because it is not doing anything. So let's give it keep for case 10 and J, Q, K and A. We will use count minus minus and break, and in the last we will use default, just break, because there is no need to do anything. And afterward, this is the for the switch statement. If case, what is the case? If count is less than 0. It's, let's keep it greater than 0. Then the string, let's see if there is any string declared. No string declared. So we can do it like this: return count plus space bet, else return count plus hold, and let's remove it here. And we can see all the output here according to, let's see output of some console.log and 1 bit. Okay, in similar fashion 3 7 k. Okay, so let's go back and let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.